Namaste. My name is Garima. I am a clinical nutritionist and a yoga teacher. It's been 2 years and 1 month since I have joined the Gita community. And from the day one, when I listened Acharya ji, within 2-3 days, I was sure that I found the master I was looking for. And the years of confusion, search, and spirituality which I could not apply in my practical life, which could not give me a long term understanding. I could found with Acharya ji's. I would say he has a sharp edge cutting methodology. And when I say methodology, which is you can apply in your life. And two things which I really started applying in my life is, when I still remember, is he says whenever you are taking any sort of a decision, always see from which center are you taking a decision. It is always mostly your dependencies are coming from either the center of greed or fear. So this is such an applicable thing in each, be it a work, be it relationships, be it even in a friendship. These two things give me a very straight rod from what center I am taking, and witnessing, self-awareness. These are the concept, but how to apply them in a practical life, and basically to travel light in the whole journey. And the best part is, I was not taking examination for good 1.5 years. There is an examination which is also conducted in the Gita community. But today, now, it's been now last almost 6 months. I have 100% attendance, and I look forward for the exam every evening, as if someone looks for a party. I look for an examination because it gives so much of the understanding. Even there are times when the sleep really hits you and my mouth is wide open, but I then come back to attempt the examination. It is like one of the, I would say, exam has become my best friend, on a good day, on a bad day.